Date is a useful function in Excel. It takes three arguments: year, month and day, and it takes three numbers for them. So I'll give it 2022 for year, 7 for month and 7 for day, and it creates a date. I can then copy this and paste the formulas down. I'll show you another example of the date function by creating random dates between 1st January 2020 and today. So first I'll create a date object using the date function. I'll say year is year of today -2, 1 for the month, 1 for the day. So it will create a date 1st January 2020, and then I will wrap a rand between function around it. As you know, all the dates are numbers in disguise. So this date is a number, and then I'll use it and today's date to create random numbers between 1st January 2020 and today. I will copy it down, and it creates random dates between 1st January 2020 and today. So date is a useful function. It is used in almost every date formula.